Good afternoon, my name is Estefania Maya and this is Colombian Education course. In this opportunity, I will share with you my mind map about the conclusions of the course. First, I wanna show you my mind map. I want to make my mind map in 6 parts because I think that I have 6 conclusions of the course. I think that English is a universal language. We need to be more competitive in teaching language skills, teaching English skills, um, because English is a business language and is a intercultural language. In our country, if you know how to speak another language, it's a very good tool to increase your opportunities to a best job opportunities. The second is a language is an instrument that allows the most direct approach to other people and other culture. I think that language and culture are related because to understand um, the other culture, you have to understand first the language. Here in Colombia, we have many cultures, and I think Colombia is so important and so richful in culture. And I think that Colombia has made a lot of things to increase, to improve the education, the bilingual education. The other conclusion is the ability to be bilingual or multicultural is increasingly necessary to study, work, and living together. As you can see, my conclusions are related because the education in Colombia is so important to understand the importance of being a bilingual person, a bilingual person. Yes, if you are a bilingual person here in Colombia, you have best opportunities to get a better job, to get a better grades in your work, in your study, whatever you want. A Colombian student who achieves a good command of this mother tongue and abilities in another bilingual students will be well positioned to face um, the demands. If you have a better, I don't know how to say that. If if you have if you understand and you speak another language so well, you can have a better achievement in all you want. Colombia has made a lot of jobs, a lot of things to increase the bilingualism here in Colombia. And the idea is that all students can speak another language. This is different with before because the education that my parents received aren't aren't bilingual. In this opportunity, in this moment nowadays, Colombian education is focused in improvement the bilingualism because it's so important in a globalized world. Thank you very much. I think this course was so important to understand the importance of be better educated person, and to get better skills to improve my English, to teach my English, because I think that one thing is understand and speak English, and the other thing, and is so different, is to teach in English. And thank you very much.